So, hi Vito, I'm Mariana. I want only a quick video that I don't have to describe it, how to handle groups in a SharePoint site. First, you go to the site permissions. Take every time the advanced permissions. I do that also. Then I say add group. Then I give the group a test 1, 2, 3, a test, describe the group, say which is the group owner. So the group owner, I will take every time an employee. Why? It's a self-service thinking. Okay. About the auto, do not say yes, yes, never. When you want to have an auto join to the group, then make it every time with one click, and you give them access to the group. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we say create the group, please, in your case. Yeah. So now we have the group test 1, 2, 3. I prefer every time functionality groups and layer groups, who can do what there. And you see on the left side the groups, and please build your structure or your groups every time with I make a sorry, I go back to this group, edit this group. I want every time that a group name starts with group, then with a functionality, for example, and then with a quick description or a quick unique name, and then I write the text what can do that group. Why? It's important for you for the GDPR also. Okay. And you will find the groups fast and easily when you have a shortcut like that. Okay. So, and then you can handle the groups. So you can add. So now I'm in the group management test, and add the people there. And the other points when you add a group. Wait, I will go to your structure, to your website again. Documents, and say I make a test page, Pascal, but I write you also a mail with that. I love the colored folders. So, and say manage groups. So add, say first of all I say what can this group do. Okay, can make changes or can't make changes, only few rights, and say for example group, and I have the group management test. So, and now we come to a point that when you make groups in a bigger environment, then I will have, or I take every time also the EC partner ID in the group name. Only for example, we go back, site permission, advanced permissions, or I have it open there, sorry. Then I can say groups or more. Yeah, now it's clear. Now when I select a group that I in a bigger environment, I can do it like that. So, and now manage access group, then I have plus, I say he can do everything, or we can see he can only edit. And I can say group ET003 underline, and I have my management group, and I can add the management group. Only a side information for you, you can add in a SharePoint group, you can add Active Directory groups, but you are not SharePoint are not allowed to add SharePoint groups in SharePoint groups. So the structure yeah, is not like the Active Directory where you use groups and groups and you say in one group there are many groups. Normally you have a SharePoint group with a functionality and for example Active Directory group. We have in our tenant, we have also automatically Active Directory groups. For example, all employees from an EC partner. And when you want to handle this, let me know, then I'll show you how you can do that. Okay? I wish you a nice day.